going on, guys? It's about 8 a.m. and on the skin track over here at Mount Mancelona. Snow looks pretty nice, fluffy, which is why I'm here. And yeah, I'm kind of practicing for when I go to Utah in a week and a half. Have a whole backcountry day planned for out there. And yeah, I'm gonna try to get hopefully 6 or 7 laps in today here in hopes of being ready for out west. But going all the way over there. Time to rip these skins off, take my first lap. So I'm on the way up for lap 4, and I realized the last times I've been skinning, I've just been going way too fast and overheating, and by the time I'm down one run, I gotta like take a shower. So today, it's all about pacing myself and mitigating how much I sweat so that I can ski for a lot longer, which is the goal. Alright guys, I got 7 laps in at Mount Mancelona. Super fun day. I'm back for lunch and I'm gonna hit the resort, but hit that like button and subscribe. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. If you have more questions about ski touring, just type in ski touring on YouTube. There's a zillion videos on what it's all about. Basically, you're walking up the hill with carpets on your skis and then you take them off to ski down. Super great time. As I said, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.